The following segment is sponsored by Smith's Food and Drug. Now let's head to the kitchen and see what Chef Jeff Jackson is cooking for us today.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. The weather's getting warmer outside. That means it's time for picnics, it's time to eat outdoors. And my friend Tina Murray here from Smith's is going to talk to us a little bit more about that.
And Jeff, because we are spending so much more time outside, when we come in and it's time to eat, we want things that are quick, inexpensive, and easy to put together. Not spending a lot of time over the stove cooking. We have a lot of great things here today. From our deli, we've got fried chicken. From our bakery, croissants and sandwich meat. It's easy to put together some great grab-and-go items and a lot of beautiful, fresh produce to make a really nutritious, quick, inexpensive meal.
Yeah, and what I like about that is the inexpensive part. You can put together meals that are like less than 20 bucks for a family of 5, really. And it's a great thing. But today we're going to make speaking of great things, a Caprese pasta salad. Super easy to make. Of course, all these ingredients you can find in those general areas that we were just talking about before. But so what we did is we cooked some bow tie pasta. You could use any kind of pasta you like. And then we've got some fresh mozzarella, some cherry tomatoes, some fresh basil. I'm going to make the dressing right now. So what I want you to do, Tina, if you don't mind, while I'm making the dressing, is just start adding all of that stuff into the bowl and kind of tossing it around. And by the time I get this dressing done, we should be ready to combine.
Let's do it.
All right. What's your favorite item for springtime cooking?
So pasta salad is absolutely one of my favorites, but I have found that while it's good the day you make it, it gets even better on the second
Always,
day.
right? Yeah.
Once those good flavors have had a chance to soak in.
So maybe even make it a day ahead as far part of your planning, right? Okay, so here comes our dressing, and either you can mix it or me. We'll see how we do. But look at all those colors, and it's beautiful and it's fresh, and you can take it on the go, which is the best part of all of this, right? Because there's so much to do outdoors, and to be able to have a healthy meal while you're doing it makes it even better.
I love to garden this time of year, and this is a perfect meal.
And you're throwing pasta at me, my goodness. That's okay. If you're not making a kitchen and if you're not making a mess in your kitchen and having fun, then it's not really worth it. But look at that beautiful pasta salad, all those colors, the smells, it looks fantastic.
Jeff, what's the ideal amount of time to let a salad like this marinate for ideal flavor?
Yeah, so I like what you said earlier about doing it the day before, but if not that, I'd say at least 2 or 3 hours in the fridge to really let those flavors really marinate together.
Then what if you want to take this salad with you on a picnic? How long can you leave this outside without refrigeration and still feel good about it?
Just make sure to take it cold and just eat it quick, right? Super easy. It's that time of year, right? So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for shopping. We'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.